Okay, I spent a lot of time and money on this truck. Couldn't find out the fucking water pump was the problem. It kept overheating. Changed a few radiators, the hoses, and it got so hot that transmission fluid started going to the other side and mixing up with the coolant. You can see right there where it's all wore out. It even made a mark, a ring mark around it, and fucking leaking all over the place. Here's the water pump. It's all wore out. Half the teeth are missing. That's how hot it got. All that, all that right there should have been flushed. Got to change the oil, contaminated all the transmission fluid.